Welcome to Excellent Ideas. The aim of these videos is to make you Excel Pro. Today, we are going to discuss about smart lookup functions, match and index, their usage and their added advantages over VLOOKUP function. So, let us first understand VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function is one of the most popular functions in Excel. However, it also has few limitations. We will discuss about the usage and limitations of VLOOKUP function in this video. VLOOKUP is used to retrieve data in a table organized vertically. VLOOKUP supports approximate and exact matching and also wildcards such as star, question mark for partial matches. One vital point we should always keep in mind. Lookup values must appear in the first column of the table passed into VLOOKUP. What it returns? It returns the matched values from a table. Now, let us see the syntax. Equals to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value, comma, table array, comma, column index, comma, range lookup, and then close the brackets. Let us understand these parameters in detail. The first one is lookup value, the value to look for in the first column of a table. Second one is table array, the table from where the value is to be retrieved, data range or table array. Third one is column index, the column in the table that needs to be retrieved and displayed. The fourth one is range lookup, which is optional. True means approximate match, which is default. False means exact match. Now, let us understand this with our example. If we want to find the actual price of any product, we take the product as the lookup value, which is the first column and first argument of VLOOKUP function. As our second parameter is table array, we will select the entire table range, H1 to J6. Column index is the actual price which we want to retrieve, which is the third column in the table. The last parameter is range lookup, which is of course optional. This is the place where we can provide either we want an exact match or an approximate match. Say for example, we created a template where the customer can select the product type to find the actual price of the product. So let us type the formula as equals to VLOOKUP bracket open E4, which is the lookup value, comma, H1 to J6. This is the table array which starts at H1 and we select the end of the cell reference as J6, comma, third parameter. This is where we have to give the column index. Actual price column in our case is the third column from product from where we are going to get the lookup value, comma, the last parameter 0. Range lookup is a logical value to find the closest match in the first column. We have to give a true value or 1 for approximate match. To find the exact match, we have to give false or 0. But there are few things to know. Can we use the VLOOKUP function to look up for values horizontally? No. Did you know that VLOOKUP function does not retrieve the value from the cell if it has a text value of more than 255 characters? Yes, it does not retrieve the value. Can VLOOKUP function retrieve a value which is left to the lookup column? No. Can VLOOKUP retrieve the values if there are multiple lookup criteria? Nope. Can we look up for case-sensitive values with VLOOKUP? No. Is there a solution for all the above limitations? Yes, of course. You know, Excel is excellent. We can perform advanced lookups using index and match. We can look up for these values for both single criteria or multiple criteria and look up the values towards left or right or when there are more than 255 characters length in text field, and also look up the value horizontally or vertically with the help of index and match functions. Let us understand the index and match functions in detail. Firstly, let us see the match function. The match function searches for a specified item in a range of cells and then returns the relative position of that item in the range. For example, the match function below looks up the value printer in the range J2 to J7. We use the match function to return an exact match, so we set the third argument to 0. So the formula would be equals to match bracket open in quotes printer comma J2 to J7 comma 0 and then close the bracket, where 0 means exact match. Now let us understand index function. The index function below returns a specific value in one-dimensional range. So the formula would be equals to index bracket open J2 to J7 comma 2 and then close the bracket. So this function returns the second value in the range J2 to J7. Index and match. Replace the value 2 in the index function with the match function to look up the actual price of printer. The index function needs position. Index and match is a perfect combination to perform advanced lookups. Let us understand how to use index match functions to search for specific values and retrieve data. We take an example and look up with multiple criteria. To better comprehend the functionality of these two functions, we understand this aspect in 3 scenarios. Let us start it with simple lookup based on single lookup criteria and advance to third scenario where we will see the usage of these functions to retrieve value based on multiple lookup criteria. Let's see the first scenario. It is to find the actual price of any product of customer choice. Let us type the formula in cell F4 as equals to index bracket open array J2 to J7 comma row number. Here we give match function to find the position of lookup value in table, which is match bracket open E4 is the cell reference where the customer can opt for the required product, comma lookup array. This is the array where we are going to look up for the product H2 to H7. Now let us see the second scenario. Since in this scenario, exact match, let's give an option to the customer to find either close the actual price to close or function discount of a specific product bracket chosen is to close the here, index function. The column that we are planning to retrieve, it has given the actual price of keyboard, which means the index array, which is the first argument of the index function, should change dynamically based on the chosen column, discount or actual price. So let's give the formula as equals to index bracket open if, then again another bracket open, C4 is equals to in quotes actual price comma J2 to J7 comma I2 to I7, then close the brackets, comma match another bracket open E4 comma H2 to H7 comma 0 and then close parenthesis twice. This formula gives the actual price of the laptop. Now the last one, the third scenario. Till now we haven't found any duplicate products and hence our index match function is retrieving the correct data. What happens if we have a duplicate value? In that case, the lookup function retrieves the first occurrence. But here, in this case, though the product repeats, the records are unique as we have the second column where the brand of the particular product is mentioned. That means we do have two criteria, one on the product and second one on the brand. How to find the actual price or discount of a particular product of a particular brand? Don't worry, we have a solution for this. We can use match function on multiple criteria lookups. Of course, we can't use a normal function but we have to use an array function. In this case, the customer has given an option to select specific product of a chosen brand to retrieve the actual price. So, the formula would be equals to index bracket open if another bracket open C4 equals to in quotes actual price comma M2 to M7 comma L2 to L7 bracket close comma match bracket open E4 and G4 comma J2 to J7 and K2 to K7 comma 0 and close brackets twice. After you close the brackets, you have to press Ctrl, Shift and Enter because this is required for an array function. E4 looks up value for product, G4 is lookup value for brand, J2 to J7 is the array for the product and K2 to K7
Well, dear friends,
is the
hope
brand.
you enjoyed today's video very much, which doesn't let you miss out subscribing this video to get further notifications. Your subscription motivates us to create more interesting videos. Those of you who haven't subscribed yet, request you to do so quickly. Thank you so much. Before stopping this video, we would like to create more interest in you by providing previous videos links which lets the viewers scintillating to view from beginning to the end.